Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I am going to tell about operators and types of operators and special characters and about string and variables. I hope if this video is nice, hit a like and let me know in the comment section how is this video, and let's get started into the video. The symbol that gives instruction to perform different types of mathematical and logical operators are called operators. Operators has tools which can alter the values, data and variables. So these are the definition of operators, and let us know what types of operators. Arithmetic operators, there is symbolic representation for every operators. So first one is arithmetic operator. So in that plus, minus, multiplication and division, example will see a plus b, a minus b, a into b. So these are the examples of arithmetic operators. And next one is rational operators. So here you can see open bracket, close bracket, exclamation mark is equals to, and example will see a greater than b, b less than a. So these are the types of rational operator. And next one is logical operator. So symbolic representation is and exclamation mark equals to a and b. So these are the example of it. And next one is increment decrement operator. The symbolic representation of it is plus plus and minus minus. Example is a plus plus, a minus minus. And next one is assignment operator, that is equal symbol. So here you can see example of it, a plus equals to b and a equals to a plus b. So this is the example of it. And next one is bitwise operator. So here you can see extraction and interaction symbol. And next one is comma operator. So comma you can see a comma b, b comma a. So this is the comma operator. And last one is conditional operator, question mark and is to. So this is the types of operators. So there are total 8 types. These special characters, all the special characters other than a to z and capital A to capital Z and small a to capital Z and 0 to 9 are known as special characters. And there are types of special characters. So let us know. First one is lowercase letters, and there are the character set is small a to small z. And next one is uppercase letters, so that is capital A to capital Z. And next one is digits 0 to 9. And next one is special characters. Example exclamation mark, @ hashtag, dollar symbol, percentage, multiplication. So these are special characters. These are the 4 types of special characters used in C language. And next we'll go to string. The meaning of string is the group of characters are called string, and string should be enclosed in double quotations. So you can see here it should be enclosed in double quotations. Example you can see char string equals to double quotation Varun Reddy. This is an example. And in string there is in string only about variable we need to learn. A variable is a user defined word which has some storage area depending on data types, and its value will be changed during the program execution. And variables, there are certain rules while doing programming on variables. So first rule is it is a combination of letters and digits, and second rule is the variable should not reserved word. And next rule is special symbols are not allowed except under scroll. And next rule is the first character in variable must be alphabet. So the first character must be the first character of variable must be alphabet. And next rule is commas and blanks are not allowed within a variable. So that commas are not allowed in variables. So these are the rules and types of operators and types of characters. I hope this video is nice. Hit a like, share and subscribe. So this is your Varun signing up.